showing your model how to pose someone who's not a model.
I look like Ruby Rose low key. Watch how I post
that's the
those,
first thing I saw.
like,
I'm not gonna lie, like that's the first thing I literally thought.
So cute, so yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's helping you. YouTube, man, it's your boy Hacks in the Lens. We're back at it again with yet another video, man. You guys have been asking for her in the comments. I can't get you to shut up, man. We brought back Mixed Chick, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of gas. Last time we did a one light setup. This time we're doing a little bit of a classy shoot, a little bit of shoot with me behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying? Showing your model how to pose someone, you know what I'm saying, who's not a model. Like how to pose a dancer. I'm gonna call this video.
I'm still learning how to.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like how to pose somebody. You know what I'm saying? So like
step into my
exactly.
era.
So we're about to make it happen. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna help her step into that era. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. Autopilot when I got this. You gotta waste some time. Alright, bet. Okay, girl. So okay, we giving body right now. We're giving body right now.
That would have made it look so weird.
Oh, with them under, yeah. Oh. There you go. Come over right here. Hold on. Hold it. Let me see something real quick. All right, you guys, I'm using my Sony a7S III with my Sigma Art lens. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole lot of gas. We're having some fun in here. My f2.8, you know what I'm saying? I'm shooting very low on aperture, trying to get into those skin tones and play around with those and see what those have for us. Let's see. About to go dark in a minute because I'm liking the light, but the light not really helping me too much. Let's see something real quick. Let me see what I could do. There we go. So I put these lights behind her, facing at the two back shoulder blades of the model. So that way it can light up her backside. And then it'll add some dimension, you know what I'm saying? Help her out a little bit. Help bring her from the background a little bit more. There we go.
That's how you know I love her.
LOL. There we go. I like that. I like that one.
Over the shoulder?
I like when you're just doing that. That was cute. Yeah, that was cute.
So you want me to look into the mirror or look towards you?
Look at me. Add some more like exaggeration to it. Exaggerate it. See what I'm saying? Yeah, just like that. Okay. Back up a little bit.
This way?
A little bit more, yep. And now exaggerate. Yeah, there you go. Hold it on. There we go. Oh, I love this. All right, turn a little bit. This way.
This way?
Right there. Turn back a little bit. Right there. All right, same type of vibe. Same type of vibe. There we go. Come on. There we go. Hold it like that. All right. Hold it. Now you know what I mean by feel it. You see what I'm saying? I can tell that you know exactly what I mean by feel it now. Like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's called chemistry after a while, guys. You know what I'm saying? I can tell that you know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
I can tell that you've been listening. You've been taking some notes. You're like, oh, I'm feeling it.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I actually like feel cute, so yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's helping you. You're feeling it. Hold it up.
Oh, I think I blinked. Hold on.
Go move. Shit.
Hopefully. Focus on.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. 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 You're. Oh, let me catch that one. Hold it. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Don't do too much. Don't do too much.
I just got pulled. Keep pulling this part up. I look like Ruby Rose low key. Watch how I
Nah, that's the first thing I saw. I'm not gonna lie. Like that's the first thing I literally thought.
Oh, the tats go crazy.
No, Rose Bill though.
Giving very much body. See, now I'm gonna be stuck on which ones I want to. Oh, those are so cute. Period. Oh, you have to send me one of those. Book with your girl.
That's hard.
Yes. That one's cute. I like that one. Oh, yes. Oh! That one was cute. The off guard was cute.
So I see you kind of like, I see you, what's it called? Yeah, your dress is short.
With what?
I was gonna say, I kind of see you doing like a cute squat.
Okay, I can do it. Let me see. I already did this way, so let me try this way.
All right, I can see you doing like a cute squat. Hold it on. Oh, yes. You know how to do a collaboration pose? Some people don't.
What is that?
Yeah, okay, I'll send you the tutorial. It's okay. I gotta make a YouTube video on that because I have to send everybody a tutorial. No, I really should. Hold on, there you go. Hold it. Oh, yes. Yes. Hold more, hold on. Hold it, don't move. Hold it. There we go.
Oh, these are coming out so good. Should I try some on the other side to see? No. Oh, but they can see that it's a dress. I think it's a two-piece.
You can do the other side too. Don't matter.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead, stretch it out. It's fine.
Please don't tell me it's about to rain.
Oh, you heard that?
Yeah.
Awesome shit. Hold on. Oh. I'm like, everyone's arm does that.
I'm trying to make sure my hair looks combed enough. I should have got that up underneath my little, my sewing.
What? What are your sign?
This right here.
Mmm.
Well, I have to finish it, so once it's finished, then, you know, it's gonna look better. I'm about to get all of this covered up too.
What covered up?
This right here. It's fading.
All right, there we go. Hold on, let me see. Don't move. Damn, hold on. Yeah, like that. Hold it. Put your head back more. There we go. Okay, bet.
Call me some, call me when you need some, call me when you need some. Oh, well, that one was cute. Oh, B2 God. That's crazy. I swear I can't even take pictures for real, but when somebody else takes pictures of me, they look so good. Watch out, everybody be like, "Oh, I thought that was Ruby Rose."
Their pictures might go viral. Okay.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Get both of us some. Get both of us.
Your shit might go viral for real. The way they look.
Ooh, my legs look good.
Embracing your inner Ruby.
Literally. I like how my hands look with you.
Right.
Gives it very much mysterious. Yes, they are. They're coming out so good. Well, at least you're getting out of my comfort zone. I like the fact that, you know,
what?
you want to do different stuff and different ideas, because...
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.